choose an action which happening at the time an action which happening at the time of speaking. इसका स्ट्रक्चर जनरल स्ट्रक्चर है subject plus to be plus verb plus ing plus complement. To be इसके साथ हम प्रेजेंट टू बी इस्तेमाल करें. प्रेजेंट टू बी कौन सा है? SMR. ओके, SMR वर्ब के साथ ing आएगा, कॉम्प्लीमेंट है. सब्जेक्ट क्या है? सब्जेक्ट द डूअर ऑफ एन एक्शन, विच काम करते हैं. टू बी तो पता है SMR वर्ब क्या है? वर्ब जो एक्शन हमको शो करता है ना, which shows step action in the sentence. And complement, the rest of the sentence without the subject of verb, the rest of the sentence is called complement. So subject, here I wrote he, she, it. There are subject pronouns. There are 7 subject pronouns in English. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. He, she, it के साथ क्या आएगा? I के साथ I के साथ क्या आएगा? M. And you, we, they के साथ क्या? R. He एक शख्स का इस्तेमाल करता है. We use just for single person, man. Okay. She for female, one person. It we use for non-living things, like chair. Chair doesn't have what. It doesn't move or temporate, so it's non-living thing. I के साथ M. And you जब तुम किससे बात करते हैं ना, you के साथ क्या? To be. We जब सारा हो गया, हम भी उसके साथ अपने जान को include कर लेंगे. We are students. For example, they जब तुम और लोगों को बात करते हैं, they are students. Okay. For example, he. I like he subject pronoun here from subject. In the subject place we write he. To do वर्ब क्या इसके साथ आएगा? Is a verb. Write is a verb. इसके साथ कौन सा form we use? Which form? ing form. He is writing homework. इसके क्या है? Complement. He is writing homework. How we can change it to negative? हम homework नहीं लिखेगा. किस तरह बोलेंगे? When you want to write a negative, whenever you want to write negative sentence, when you want to change a positive sentence to negative sentence, you should use not after the to be verb. Okay. For example, he is it's a to be verb. We should use not after the to. He is not writing homework. Okay. He is not writing homework. How we can change it to interrogative? How we can ask question in the present continuous tense? We can ask question by we should bring the to be verb to the beginning of the sentence. Is he writing? Is he writing? And we should use what? Question mark. We should put question mark also in a question. Okay. Is he writing homework? क्या वो होमवर्क लिख रहा है? क्या वो होमवर्क लिख रहा है?